We're gonna go from this to this using nothing but this. Hey, what's up guys? And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the Sleek Socket line of extension cords, which I have right here in my hand. And as the name implies, it takes your socket and makes it really, really sleek. Essentially, this product is designed to get rid of the obstruction caused by a normal extension cord, especially if you're trying to get behind a piece of furniture. Now, obviously, when you plug an extension cord or a regular cord into an outlet, you get it sticks out here by about an inch or an inch and a half, and you can't get your furniture too close, or you're gonna put strain here and potentially fray the cord. But the Sleek Socket over here does away with that because they actually have their cord here come straight down, and it will actually cover the entire socket with one sleek cover. But basically how this happens is that the plug here goes in the top plug, and then that goes ahead, and that covers the entire plug. So now your cord is running straight down and it's not sticking out, there's no obstruction behind your furniture. This then gives you the ability to basically hide this anywhere, either underneath the piece of furniture or in a place where it fits. And again, it's just a regular three outlet extension cord that you can go ahead and plug your stuff into. Now it also works extremely well at hiding cords. So as you can see, we've kind of just got this cord coming out from behind a piece of furniture, has this kind of, it just kind of dangles there, not really looking too pretty. But with the Sleek Socket, we can hide it really well. That's because they give you all these little cable guides here that you can actually stick on the wall. They've got a command strip here on the back, and they actually give you one that's a complete 90 degrees to help make this turn. So it comes straight down, comes into a cable guide that's a 90, and then you can run right along the baseboard. No one's ever gonna see the cord now, and that looks so much better. So there's actually 4 different styles of Sleek Socket out there available. The one that we were using in the demonstration was a single outlet, and it had a 3-foot cord on it. This is really good for getting right behind something where there's an outlet that's right there or you're not running across the room. Reason being is that there's also a single outlet style with an 8-foot cord attached to it. This is gonna be something if you wanna run all the way down a wall or across a room and you really don't have an outlet close by, you can go ahead and use this and get a lot more reach on it and basically reach a socket that you probably otherwise couldn't reach. Sleek Socket also has the other dual outlets. As you can see, it actually covers both outlets in the duplex, and each one here has a 3-foot cord. This is really good for concealing things on your kitchen countertops, like maybe a coffee maker that doesn't move, or some other small appliance that's gonna sit on the counter, and you don't wanna have cords kind of running everywhere. You can use a single socket, cover up the outlet, and then run 3 feet across the countertop to your appliance. And then we finally have the biggest Sleek Socket of them all. This is actually the 2 outlet you can see right here. Each outlet has the three extension cord head, but it has 2 8-foot cords on it as well. So now you can put something in the middle of a room and reach things on either end of the room, again, with ease. This is actually gonna be probably the most useful one for me. I have upstairs in my living room, I've got an outlet that I kind of want to run along the baseboard. I've got a floor lamp on one end, and I've actually got the TV stand in the other. This is going to be perfect for that room. Now, this is a standard 13 amp extension cord that's really only meant to be used indoors, so don't put this on any outdoor sockets, and don't go plugging anything absolutely crazy into it. Again, this is light duty indoor only, okay? Don't go plugging like 3 angle grinders into this because you're probably gonna overload it, you'll probably pop a fuse or something. Things like TVs, computers, printers, coffee makers, stuff like that is fine. Again, just don't go plugging any high power tools into these outlets or you might actually have a problem. And now my final thoughts here on the Sleek Socket is that this is one of those products that you really don't know that you need until you know it exists or you actually have it in your hand. When I was sent this, I really thought it was kind of a silly product. I was like, why is this? This is not gonna make a big difference in my life. But after seeing it on the wall and how it can actually cover the outlets and then hide your extension cords with ease, is actually really changing. It changes the whole look of the room. It changes convenience. You're not having little kids basically trip on cords. You're not having unsightly cords anywhere. This is actually a really good product and it serves a very specific need. So I would recommend anyone get this if you want to organize your room or kind of make your room look a little bit cleaner. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.